Hello viewers, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really interesting to share with you. This is another eBay purchase. This is a 1973 Canada Prince Edward Island proof $1 coin. I paid approximately $6.50 for this coin, so let's open it up and see what we've got. And don't know why they taped it to the invoice. It's kind of weird. Okay, this is the Canada 1973 Prince Edward Island Commemorative. It was to commemorate the 100th anniversary of the accession of Prince Edward Island. On the reverse, it has Prince Edward Island's Legislative Building, Province House, and is accompanied with the bilingual legend Prince Edward Island, Il du Prince Edward Eduardo. And the dates 1873 and 1973 is surrounded with the inscription Canada and the face value. This one's in really nice condition. This is a nickel composition coin. It is 15.62 grams and has a diameter of 32.13 millimeters, a thickness of 2.62 millimeters. It is round in shape and the edge is milled. And on the obverse we have, of course, Queen Elizabeth, the monarch at the time. I really like the obverse better of this coin. This coin in this condition is probably worth about $15. Yeah, I really just like this coin a lot when I saw it. I have several other Prince Edward Island coins. Most of them are historic ones from the 1800s when Prince Edward Island was a separate entity and coined its own coinage. So when I saw this one, I definitely had to make this purchase. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and please comment below. Your comments are so important to making the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and good night, YouTube.